Hello friends, I hope you're doing great. Welcome to an exciting walk. We are here in Iran and today we came to Eram Garden in the city of Shiraz. The ticket price for foreign tourists is about $2. Iran Garden is part of the Botanical Garden of Shiraz University. Seasonal fruits like cherries, apricots, figs, and other delicious snacks are sold here. You can see photographers who rent traditional clothes to tourists and visitors and take pictures of them. This is the main Eram mansion with an area of 127,000 square meters, which was registered in the UNESCO World Heritage List in 2011. If you have enjoyed the video so far, we'd be happy if you give it a like. The initial construction of the building goes back to the Seljuk era in the 12th century, but its current structure belongs to the Qajar. Everyone here enjoys the peace and silence of the garden. I hope you also enjoy it and share it with your friends. In this area, more than 450 plant species have been identified. And for example, fruit trees such as bitter orange, pomegranate, date, apple, walnut, and even apricot and persimmon can be found. Now that you've been with us up to this point in the video, I'm sure you will be amazed as we continue. From this path, we're going towards a pond that I'm sure will give you a very good feeling. Please don't forget to like. Little by little, we are getting close to the beautiful pond in the middle of the garden, which has colorful fish, birds, and turtles that make it really beautiful. These turtles can live 20 to 50 years. In these cold and nutrient-rich waters, they live very comfortably. We'd be happy if you leave us your comments up to this moment so we can go on to see more parts of this amazing garden. We really enjoy this place, and I hope you do too. Little by little, we are going from this path towards the botanical section of the garden. Here is the botanical section. As we mentioned, in this garden, there are more than 450 different plant species and about 300 species of roses. Overall, this place is like a flower exhibition and plays an important role in student research and botanical education at Shiraz University. Milk thistle, rosemary, coxcomb flower, most of the flowers are roses. The mansion consists of 3 floors, and all the rooms are decorated with beautiful tile work, paintings, and stucco carvings. Around the mansion, Iranian handicrafts are sold, including various traditional fabrics, kilims, traditional clothing, and souvenirs of Shiraz. Eram Cafe is also a special place to sit and relax, accompanied by the sound of water and the smell of fresh coffee. Friends, please leave your comments for us and tell us from which part of Iran you'd like us to make a video. There are many cypress trees in this garden. There is even a famous cypress tree here called Sarv Inaz, which is about 35 meters tall and maybe 1,000 years old, making it the largest cypress of Shiraz. Well, friends, we had an exciting tour together. If you enjoyed it, please subscribe to our channel so we can always be together. Thank you for being with us. Goodbye.